Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 011, Arithmetic, Section 4.4, Problem 11. This is Section 4.4, Problem 11. It says one of the parking lots at BCC's Fall River campus has 60 vehicles in it. 12 of them have manual transmissions. So what percent of the cars in the parking lot have manual transmissions? So it's 12 out of 60, but as a percent, what would that be? So I make a fraction. The denominator is 60, the total number of cars. The numerator is 12, the number of cars that have a manual transmission. Now, what is that as a percent? Well, what I like to do when I turn a fraction to a percent is, can I multiply something times the denominator to make it into a 100? Multiply a whole number, of course, is what I'm looking for. 60 won't work. But if you're paying attention, 12 over 60 can be reduced. They're both even, so I can cut them in half even better. Let's see if I can reduce this to anything that's going to help me. Well, half of 12 is 6, and half of 60 is 30. And, oh, I can make that 1/5. So 6 divides into 6 once. 6 divides into 35 times. So I have 1/5. Now that is a fraction where I can multiply something times the denominator to make it a 100. So I have a 5 in the denominator. 5 times 20 is 100. So if I multiply the denominator times 20, I must also multiply the numerator times 20. The numerator is 1. 1 times 20 is 20, which is easy. Now that I have a fraction with a denominator of 100, the percent is whatever the numerator is. So the numerator is 20, so the answer as a percent is 20%. 20% of the cars in that parking lot have a manual transmission.